Hi, folks. Welcome to another Wednesday Wisdom. I am Anna Hendricks. Thank you so much for being with me. Really appreciate your support. As you can see, I'm in a completely different place than I typically am. I am actually traveling right now, and I'm in my hotel room, so please bear with me. I actually love where I'm staying. It's enjoyable to say the least. So today I want to talk to you about and encourage you to take chances. Uh, there is we are only given a specific amount of time on this planet, right? Uh, and we have no idea what that time is. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 50 years from now. Nobody knows. So I think it's very important that we make sure to be continually pushing ourselves, be continually making decisions that are outside of our comfort zone, to just see what we're made of, to flex ourselves, to see how far we can go. I think that taking chances really kind of it wakes us up. Like it gives us a reason to keep going, to keep pushing. And they don't even have to be big chances. You don't have to do something huge, life altering. You could do something really small. So I've got 3 points that, again, I just want to go over with you, like I do every week. The first one is to step outside your comfort zone. So, again, this doesn't even have to be something that's huge, right? Um, Maybe you typically, when you go to a restaurant, maybe you always order the same thing. So consider, I don't know, asking the waiter or waitress what they like. I love doing that, especially if it's at a place that is new and kind of exciting. I always ask the opinion of the person that's serving me because I grew up in restaurants and I can tell immediately if someone's passionate about something. Plus, they've usually got the inside scoop. And sometimes I know exactly what I want, but if I'm feeling brave, then I kind of want to try something different. So it doesn't have to be anything huge. In addition, maybe you've always, like wanted to take dance lessons. Maybe you want to do the salsa, you know, do it, try it, sign up for a class. Take a friend along with you that'll help you out. Do something different, step outside of your comfort zones, push yourself, try something new. So, second one, allocate time to sit down and dream. I think this is very, very important because if you're taking chances, you want to, sure we can do small ones, but obviously we want to take chances on bigger things too. And taking chances is really just kind of having the courage to say that we want something and to go after it. So I think it's really crucial that we actually set aside time to sit down and dream, to really think about what it is that we want in life. Like what makes me happy? When am I like the most joyful? Who do I like to be around? What is it that I can do to enrich my life more? When you sit down and you allow yourself to kind of go through those steps and really think about it, you really kind of start getting rid of the fear that can just kind of pound up on us. You know, um, I would suggest specifically sitting down and writing out a list of everything you want, just kind of like a brain dump. And make sure that as you're making your list, you don't take any of your current circumstances into account. Don't think about money. Don't think about, like where you're living. Don't think about anything. Don't think about any of the things that are holding you back. Be purposeful about dreaming, right? You're going to be kind of a little like mind blown to see where your mind goes and just to realize that you can dream if you're purposeful about it. So, and final thing, make a goal to do something new or different every week. So, this week for me, I took a chance to get away. I had some business meetings, but I chose to get away. February was a difficult month. It was very kind of dark, and I was feeling myself getting too comfortable, and I just kind of needed to break out of my comfort zone. But for me, work is very busy right now, and that was kind of like a huge deal because I was leaving my comfort zone. I was leaving my daily routine to say, okay, I'm gonna, uproot my whole daily routine into somewhere completely different. And I have done that this week, and I'll be here through Saturday, and I'm having a great time. Not only am I getting to see people when I'm not working, but I'm actually finding that I'm a little bit more creative right now. And there's a part of me that's like a little scared, but it feels really good. So I know that when I actually go back to my routine and I go back home, that things are going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to like continually, be looking for chances to push the limit. So again, you don't have to do something that's that large. You can go to a restaurant, try something new. You can take a dance class. You can sign up for a painting class. You can, you know what I mean? Call someone. Maybe there's a guy or girl you like. Maybe take a chance, come up, say hi, let's go get a coffee, something like that. I just want to push you to stay out of your comfort zone because I think comfort zones are very, very dangerous places to be. So this is all I have for you. I wish you an awesome week, a fantastic weekend, and I'm going to see you next Wednesday. Have a great day.